Second video in detox series. Patience is key. Don't be fooled, detoxes and cleanses don't immediately make you feel fantastic. You will go through the initial period of detox and possibly feel even worse than before you began. This is a natural thing. Dr. Mark Hyman with EcoWatch puts it perfectly. You might not want to hear this, but initially feeling bad is a good thing. When you eliminate inflammatory, processed foods and stop feeding your body garbage and chemicals, your body goes through withdrawal just like with drugs or alcohol. It is good because it means you are on your way to getting clean. Sounds great, until you are knee-deep in it. One of the biggest reasons people quit their detox before they even start to heal their bodies, is due to the sluggish, draining feeling during the beginning of a detox. But there are things you can do to combat this. 1. As mentioned in the previous video, utilize those prep days leading up to your cleanse. Ease your body into accepting those healthy foods, and allow it to begin cleansing you of the built-up toxins. 2. Don't give in to cravings. Detoxing from refined sugars and carbs can quickly bring on incredibly intense cravings. Instead of giving up and indulging, try eating healthy fats to satiate your body. Things like nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and avocados are great fill-ins. Your mind still might tell you differently, but you'll be better able to fight that off if your body is full of healthy foods. 3. Again, drink lots of water. Water helps the body get rid of those toxins. 4. Easy exercise and stretching, which we will cover later in coming videos, will also help with toxin release and soothing of achy muscles and joints. 5. If you experience constipation, and you are meeting your water intake goals, try a bit of flaxseed. Put it on your salad, in your smoothie, or cook with it. 6. Magnesium citrate helps with toxin release, stress, pain, and can help you sleep. Doctors recommend around 400 milligrams, but you can take more to help with constipation. Always check with your doctor if you are taking other medications. 7. Sleep is critical. Our body's natural detoxification occurs during sleep. Not getting enough sleep stops that process in its tracks. If you struggle to sleep 8 hours, try adding in naps throughout the day or evening. 8. Watch your blood sugar. You don't want to wait until you are so hungry you have little control over your cravings. Try eating a high-protein-based snack every 3 or 4 hours. Fish, legumes, and almonds are great fillers. Just remember that whether it's exhaustion, mood shifts, or withdrawals, these symptoms will pass and usually after 2 to 3 days. So, hang in there, because you will soon begin to feel so much better.